Hello again guys, this is your Chef Santorini and today I'm going to teach you how I make my deboned whole chicken with ground pork and ground chicken. Actually, it's a stuff. But first of all, please subscribe my channel so in the future I can teach you some of my techniques. And especially, I'm hoping that you will enjoy my video. But first of all, please click the notification bell so you'll be updated on my latest video. And I think you will be interested with this one because I made a little bit twist like samgyeopsal, which is originated in Korea. Actually, one of the ingredients is from Korea. So now, let's do the procedure. So this is all the ingredients we need. Black pepper, bell pepper, black raisins, and I have also 3 kinds of herbs like oregano, garlic powder, and paprika. And I have trust here. 3 eggs, but 1 is raw and the other 2 is boiled egg. And I have also parmesan cheese, mozzarella, and red onion, carrots, and I have also this, I don't know what you call this one, it's from Korea, it's hot pepper paste. And I have also ground pork and ground chicken. Also, our main ingredients will be the deboned chicken. So let's do the procedure. So our first step will be, I'm gonna mix together the pork and chicken. Then add the raisins, onion, bell pepper, and our 3 kinds of herbs. Last but not least, egg. If you want like more tasty, I'm gonna add beef broth. Black pepper to taste. A pinch of salt. Oh, there is one more thing. I forgot to add the carrots. So you can do shredded for this one. I think that one is enough. Then now, let's mix together. So this is how it looks. Well guys, this is the deboned chicken. But if you want to learn how to debone, just click the link down below on my description. I already sprinkled with salt and pepper, so my next step will be I'm gonna sprinkle with parmesan cheese. My next step is I'm gonna add the mozzarella. After I add the parmesan cheese, so it's mozzarella. Then now, I'm gonna add stuffed ground pork and chicken, followed by 2 eggs. Parmesan cheese. Then add again mozzarella on the top. So after we're done putting all the stuffed ingredients, we are going to trust the chicken. So all I can say, not hard, not easy, but it's very easy. So just keep your eyes on the video. Actually, I can do this for about 20 seconds. Haha, just kidding. Then after, cover with foil, very tight. Then do it twice. Then now, after you cover everything, let's do the next procedure. So what is our next procedure? Oh, we are going to roast the chicken, and this is really important. Please be aware of this if you don't want your chicken to be unjuicy. So please remember, switch on the oven by 370 Fahrenheit and roast for about 1.5 hours. After an hour, we are going to open the foil. So let's see what is inside. Oh, this is so absolutely perfect. So we are going to add butter mixed with herbs. So what is the purpose of brushing butter? Because we want more flavor and we want also crispy outside. Then you can turn it back to the oven after you brush some butter. So while waiting, I'm going to make a marination sauce. So this one is between only butter and this Korean hot pepper paste. And I want to add more. I want flavorful, exactly. So this is how it looks after 20 minutes. After remove to the oven, we just remove the straws and start to brush again with our marinated sauce. That's it. Then after, I change the foil also and remove all the straws and start to oven this for about 5 minutes again, just to make it crispy only. So finally we're done. Then let's slice the chicken like a sliced bread. But wait a minute, I think it's a good idea if we add side dish, like, you know, that you can feel you are eating samgyeopsal, and I think that's a good idea. So I'm gonna add a hot pepper paste, which is really we want a strong flavor dip sauce. And what I like also, I want something like I want to dip in a melted cheese sauce. So I'm gonna add also a melted cheese. So I think that's a good idea. What do you think? If you see this one, guys, it's just like heavenly mouth-watering because it's juicy and is loaded of cheese inside, and also the taste is like an Korean taste because of the hot pepper paste. And we have also stuff inside mixed with chicken and pork, also with eggs. So I think it's really good, perfect combination if you're going to mix with lettuce and melted cheese. Ayan. Thank you for watching guys, and I hope you subscribe my channel. Okay kayo. Annyeonghaseyo.